Previously, if you wanted to sell goods online, you needed to stock inventory. However, with the arrival of dropshipping, anyone can now launch a product-based company without possessing physical inventory. Dropshipping has rapidly grown in popularity as an online business model, and for good reason. According to Statista, there were 1.66 billion digital buyers worldwide in 2016. The figure is projected to rise to 2.14 billion by 2021. Dropshipping enables individuals to run physical companies without the need for a warehouse or full-time staff. It is the 21st century approach to establishing a scalable product-based market. What exactly is dropshipping? Shopify describes dropshipping as a retail delivery system in which a store does not maintain inventory for the items it sells. Rather than that, when a store sells something, it orders it from a third party and ships it directly to the customer. As a consequence, the merchant never physically touches or sees the product. In other words, dropshipping enables you to build and sell goods without ever having to maintain inventory. One of the best aspects of starting a dropshipping company is not having to purchase inventory. It enables you to tap into the rising online market without making large initial product investments or seeking storage space. As a dropshipper, you can also save the initial costs of transporting supplies and freight charges. All you need to start a dropshipping company is a market, a consumer, and a method of reaching your customers. Dropshipping businesses do not need weeks or months of preparation. You can launch within a few days with a little determination and dedication. Here are 8 steps to starting a successful dropshipping company. But before we begin, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. The first step is to identify a niche. To begin, you'll want to choose a business or niche. Health and beauty, apparel, technology, outdoor living, children and toys, and household goods are all examples of niches. As a dropshipping novice, it's critical to keep your business focused and test new lines before widening your niche. For example, if you want to join the fashion industry, you must determine if you will sell children's, men's, or women's clothing. You may further specialize by selling women's shoes, or even more precisely by focusing on a particular style of shoe, such as heels, flip-flops, or sneakers. By focusing on a specific niche for your dropshipping company, you can ensure that you are attracting the right customers as you grow your brand. The second step is to choose a platform. Dropship products can be listed on a variety of sites, including eBay, Amazon, Etsy, and your website. Multiply your scope by listing the same things on different websites. Another famous alternative is Shopify. You can link your Shopify account to your website or an Etsy-hosted third-party site. Shopify provides affordable options for new dropshippers and also includes premium features such as targeted ads for abandoned carts. Even if your following is initially tiny, you can choose to create your website and use it to sell products and expand your email list. Simultaneously, you can increase awareness for your products by listing them on sites like Amazon or eBay. These websites are well known and trustworthy, and thousands of people use them daily to browse for items similar to yours. Finally, developing your website and employing a targeted marketing campaign to drive traffic to your storefront would result in the highest profit margin. You will avoid the high listing and seller fees associated with Amazon and eBay. 3. Choose a product. After you've chosen your niche and the platform on which you'll sell your goods, it's time to choose the particular products you'd like to sell. Utilize your niche to assist you in making a decision. Will you sell wedding gowns, sunglasses, or children's toys? You may be able to list an entire line of products within your niche, depending on your dropshipping suppliers. At first, avoid being carried away. The objective is to begin small and appeal to a single audience. Over time, you can extend your product line to address holes within a larger niche. Fourth step, develop your brand and fan base. Following that, whether you want to sell under another company's name, you'll need to brand your products. Finding existing brands that make dropshipping is not a bad thing. However, if you choose this path, you can have difficulty scaling your company in the long run due to the high percentages they usually charge on each sale. You can simultaneously develop your brand and your social media following. Create company profiles on different social media sites and share important information regularly. If you maintain a consistent presence, people will begin to take note of you and your brand. Utilize this opportunity to create an email list to market your goods as well. Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest are the best social media sites for growing a following. Determine where your target group spends their online time and cultivate a presence there. Bear in mind that you must engage your audience by being sincere and authentic. This will help them form a connection with and confidence in you, which will increase their likelihood of purchasing your goods. Fifth step, conduct market research on your rivals. Dropshippers who are new to the game often miss this move and fall behind their competition. Although the online market is vast, that does not mean it is limitless. Conduct a fast Google search for unique keywords relevant to your goods to determine who your rivals are. Those that appear in the first 10 spaces are your primary competitors. Consider the categories and range of products offered by your rivals. Are they able to provide detailed information, such as a blog describing how to use their products? You may also start a blog to promote your goods. Analyze the rivals using the data available on their websites. Although you should avoid copying your competitors, you should learn how to improve your product, brand, and website by studying existing brands. While researching your competition, you'll come across numerous tactics and ideas. Sixth step, choose your dropshipping suppliers. Selecting trustworthy dropshipping suppliers is critical to your success. Where necessary, conduct analysis, test, and compare goods. If you're dropshipping from a country other than your own, it's important that you see and touch the product first. You may not want to get refund requests or negative feedback as a result of selling substandard goods. A $35 vacuum cleaner is useless if it is a knockoff that does not perform as advertised. Ascertain if you can obtain a sample of the commodity for use in marketing photographs and materials. Be certain to include this in the startup costs. You can begin by contacting dropshipping vendors such as Alibaba or Oberlo. Conduct direct research on manufacturers to determine which one is the best fit for you. Certain vendors may be able to mark the product and dropship directly to your customers. If you're not ready to brand products as your own, consider selling them on behalf of a well-known brand. Many manufacturers tend to keep their name on the product and market and sell it through dropshippers. This is particularly beneficial for new drop shippers as it helps them build credibility in their niche. Step 7. List and sell your products. After deciding on a product, supplier, and website, it's time to list your products online and begin selling. However, there is still work to be done. When you list an item on Shopify, Etsy, or any other website, you must build an original title, concise bullet point details, and a competitive selling price for each item. This is where your competitor review comes in handy, as the information will help you improve your product lists. Do not be discouraged if an item does not sell on the first day it is listed. Dropshipping companies can take weeks, if not months, to establish themselves. If you don't have a lot of time to devote to your company at the outset, it will take a year or more. Throughout this point, you'll need to be patient and determined. 8th step. Keep an eye on your progress and identify areas for improvement. Simply listing the goods for sale does not mean the hard work is complete. Dropshipping is a dynamic industry where competitors, demand, and product offerings are constantly changing. That is why it is important to understand what works and what does not. You should constantly enhance your dropshipping business to better serve your target audience and sell them what they want. If you're unsure what they want, conduct a poll through your social media accounts or email list. It can inspire you to develop new products to meet their daily needs. The best way to develop a profitable dropshipping company is to listen to your audience and provide them with what they need. Finally, although dropshipping makes e-commerce seems easy, success requires effort and persistence. As long as you adhere to the fundamentals and do not deviate from your business plan, your efforts should bear fruit. Select a niche and adhere to it. Do not be afraid to list your products on several platforms to test the consistency of your product before going full scale and to learn from your achievements and failures. Understanding how to dropship properly can mean the difference between a time-consuming hobby and a full-time, home-based company.